Hello everybody, this is Max right here and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to embroider 5 types of flowers. By the way, don't forget to like my videos and share them with your friends and subscribe. Please! Okay, let's go! Number 1. In order to embroider this type of flower, which is called a spider web flower, we need 5 steps. First of all, draw a 5-spoke star. Bring the needle up at the end of one spoke, then bring it down in the center. Repeat this for the rest of the spokes. Number 4. Bring the needle up in between 2 of the spokes close to the center. And number 5. Weave the needle and thread over and under the spoke stitches and keep going until your flower is done. Number 2. For this flower, do 4 steps. Number 1. Pull out the needle. Number 2. Make a loop. Number 3. Remember, do not pull the needle to the end. Start next loop from the middle point of the previous one. A little tip for you. Start your next loop near the base of the previous one, exactly in the middle point as I said before. And also remember, make a knot after, for example, 5 loops. flower. You can use different colors, and it depends on your creativity. Good luck. This is how it looks at the end. I decided to split this tutorial in half so it takes less time for each episode. I will see you in the next one. Bye.